If you're living in America right now, and you haven't made your first $100,000 yet, this might be the most important video you watch in 2026, because the rules of making money have changed, and most people are still playing the old game. Today, I'll show you a realistic, step-by-step blueprint to go from 0 to 6 figures. Let's be honest, America is expensive, rent rising, groceries up, gas prices unpredictable. But here's the crazy part. This is still the best country in the world to build wealth, if you understand leverage. Most people trade time for money. Smart people multiply effort with systems. Income does not equal wealth. Leverage equals wealth. Step 1. Increase your income. Fast. Your first 100K doesn't start with investing. It starts with increasing income. You need at least $3,000 to $5,000 a month income base. High demand skills in 2026, AI automation and digital marketing. Add sales, video editing, coding, and remote customer support to that list. These are your tickets to high income roles. If you're making $50 an hour and hoping to invest your way to 100K, that will take forever. You cannot save your way to freedom from a low income base. Upskill for 60 to 90 days. Switch to a higher income role or freelance. Your goal, $5,000 a month minimum. Now we have fuel. Step 2. Cut invisible money leaks. Most Americans don't have an income problem. They have a lifestyle inflation problem. If you make $5,000 but spend $4,800, you're broke at a higher level. You're just running faster on the same treadmill. Apply the temporary 12-month rule. 50% needs, 20% living, and 30% investing. Sacrifice short-term comfort for long-term freedom. Step 3. Build your first $10,000. This is the momentum phase. Your first 10K changes your psychology. You think bigger. How to hit 10K fast, save tax refunds, side hustle on weekends, and sell unused items. Momentum is the fuel that keeps you going. If you save $2,500 a month, you hit 10K in 4 months. Emergencies don't scare you anymore. You move with confidence. Step 4. Start investing smart, not random. Now we multiply. Your first investments should be boring. Boring makes money. Smart options, index funds, high-yield savings, and simple ETFs. Don't chase crypto hype or day trading gurus. Let the market do the work. If you invest $2,000 a month for 24 months, you're at $48,000 invested. Add growth and compounding, and you're hitting the 70K range. Step 5. Add a scalable income stream. This is the cheat code. Your job pays linear, but scalable income pays exponential. Examples: YouTube automation, digital products, affiliate marketing, or e-commerce. You build once and you earn repeatedly. Let's calculate. Year 1, save and invest 30K. Year 2, invest another 35K and add that scalable stream. Total, 75 to 110K range possible. Most people in America don't fail because they can't earn. They fail because they don't stay consistent long enough. Wealth is built in discipline. Imagine this. 2 years from today, you check your account. 6 figures. You don't panic about bills. You have options. That's freedom. If you're serious about building your first 100K in America, comment 100K below. I'll know you're committed. Don't just watch, execute. In the next video, I'll break down how to turn 100K into 1 million step by step. I'll see you at the top.